Hey, my name's James Nicholson and welcome to this channel. While you're here, make sure you smash the subscribe button and hit the bell. Also check out my description of this video to grab a free copy of my new book, Expert Mastery. Now, in this video, I want to talk about the worst thing you could be doing in your marketing, why so many people do this and why it just doesn't work, and what we can do in order to get a better result than that. Now, tons and tons of businesses go out there, they try things like Google, they try things like Facebook, and then you hear them say, it didn't work for my business, right? Does that sound familiar? Maybe you say that, right? And so that happens all the time. People say, it just doesn't work for my business. Now, the problem is that they just tried to get married on a first date. That's normally the bigger problem. So if I look through someone's Facebook ads or their posts, what they normally do is they just ask people that have never heard of them to buy their product or service. Now, at that stage, that person doesn't know you, they don't like you, and they don't trust you at that stage. And so it's too early to ask for the sale. What could you be doing different? Well, what you must do instead is give value. You've got to lead with value that positions you as an expert. And so imagine you were a builder. What I would be doing is making content, showing people these are the things that you've got to look for when considering a builder. And I'd show them my craftsmanship. I'd show them how this is how the job gets done on time if I've got a project management system. All of these things are going to set you apart from other builders. Now, they also might be things that other builders just do, but they're not showing that. And so you're giving confidence to that person that's potentially looking for a builder at that particular time. One of my clients is an estate agent, and what they do is they give content on telling people what's going on in the market. Now, every other estate agent in their town says they've been established for X, Y, Z, they sell the most houses, they're the cheapest, they just sell. Where my client says, this is what's going on in the market. It's going up, it's going down. This area is particularly doing well, this area is not doing so well. And they just give a real honest opinion. So they're known as the local property expert, right? If you're looking to buy a house or sell a house and they come up and they're giving you value in your local area, you're going to listen to that and you're going to think those people really know what they're talking about and they're not trying to sell me something. Very refreshing, right? That works really, really well. One of my clients is a pizza chef and he has books on pizza and he also has online courses. So he teaches people on YouTube. This is how you create a pizza. This is how you create the tomato sauce. This is the temperature that you should be cooking pizza at, right? And so he also earns money from YouTube views on that. But then that's a soft approach. And then people come in and they take a copy of his book, or they also take a copy not only of his book, but they'll take his courses and stuff like that. And so what you need to do as a difference maker here is lead with value first. Show them you're an expert way before you ask for the sale. Then take a baby step. And so a great baby step would be to just give them some more value in exchange so you can carry on that conversation. So what I mean by that is give them a guide or report or a discount voucher, something that they can opt in for, and in return, you will get their data, right? You'll get the data, they'll get more value, and then you can send them emails, building a rapport, educating them, inspiring them until they're ready to buy your product and service. Now, this is a great way to do things, and it's part of a 5-step system, which we call the Business Accelerator methodology. We cover all of that in this book. So do go and check out the book in the description. I'm going to give you guys a free copy. Go and check out all the other content on this channel. There's more than 200 videos on here now. So subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss all the new stuff. That's it from me, and I'll see you guys very, very soon. Don't make that mistake, and do comment below. Let me know what you think. Bye for now.